Welcome to our channel. Join us on a journey of spiritual growth in Christ. Welcome to our powerful prayer for divine healing and protection. In times of uncertainty and despair, it is vital to turn to the source of all miracles, strength, and restoration. Together, let us embark on a journey towards divine intervention and experience the undeniable power of prayer. As you close your eyes, open your heart and take a deep breath. Feel the presence of the divine surrounding you. Visualize a bright light, pure and comforting, enveloping your entire being. In this moment, surrender all your worries, fears, and pain to the divine. With unwavering faith, we ask for miraculous healing to wash over every aspect of our lives. May our bodies find strength, our minds find peace, and our spirits find solace. May divine grace spread its protective shield over us, deflecting harm and danger that may come our way. In this sacred moment, we call upon the divinely appointed angels and guides to stand beside us, guiding our footsteps toward restoration. We ask for divine wisdom and discernment to navigate the challenges that lie ahead and make decisions that lead to our highest good. Gently place your hands over your heart or any area of your body in need of healing. Feel the palpable energy flowing from your palms, connecting you to the divine essence within. Allow the healing energy of the universe to permeate every cell, restoring balance and vitality within you. Beloved Divine, we humbly request your intervention, knowing that in your infinite wisdom, you hear our prayers. Your divine love is the ultimate source of healing and protection. We trust in your plan, aligned with our highest good. May our path be illuminated by your divine light. As we conclude this prayer, take a moment to express heartfelt gratitude for the healing and protection that is already unfolding in your life. Trust that the divine is at work, orchestrating miracles beyond our comprehension. Embrace a sense of gratitude, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity for growth and transformation. Thank you for joining us on this miraculous divine healing journey. If this prayer touched your heart, we invite you to subscribe to our channel to receive more uplifting content. Remember, you are never alone. The divine is always with you, guiding, healing, and protecting you.